Have you ever considered a natural solution so effective it seems almost unbelievable? Imagine an oil so potent it was a staple in US military survival kits during World War II, used for everything from treating soldiers' wounds to maintaining equipment. Now, picture combining that legendary castor oil with something as simple as baking soda. The results? Potentially life-altering, from reducing prostate inflammation to stimulating hair growth, easing chronic pain, and even supporting heart health. This combination has been quietly improving lives for decades. These aren't just claims, they are rooted in both scientific research and personal experiences. Consider the firefighter who regained his nights, or the individual who saw their receding hairline reverse. Stay with me, and you'll uncover how to unlock these transformative benefits for yourself with a remedy you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. One of the most remarkable remedies available is castor oil, a golden, viscous liquid celebrated for its potential to transform lives for centuries. But the real magic happens when you combine it with baking soda. You're probably familiar with castor oil's reputation for soothing aches, healing skin, and addressing various health concerns. But when you pair it with baking soda, the results can be truly remarkable. Many people are unaware that this simple combination has been a trusted remedy for decades, quietly helping individuals manage chronic pain, heal irritated skin, support prostate health, and even improve circulation. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could change the way you think about natural health. Castor oil's value isn't just anecdotal, it's historically significant. During World War II, the US military included castor oil in survival kits. Soldiers relied on it not only for wound care and infection prevention, but also for maintaining their machinery. It was used to soothe skin and lubricate equipment, demonstrating its versatility. Now, imagine combining this extraordinary oil with baking soda, a common household item. This combination amplifies castor oil's effects in ways that may surprise you. Your body could respond in ways you never thought possible, potentially experiencing less pain, healthier skin, and improved circulation. Interested in learning more? Let's delve into one of its most notable benefits, prostate support. Picture this, it's 3:00 a.m., and you're once again getting out of bed. You're tired, but you need to use the bathroom again. Imagine if there was a simple, natural remedy that could significantly reduce these nighttime interruptions without prescriptions or invasive procedures. For many men over 50, prostate issues can become a major concern. What starts as a subtle inconvenience can escalate into a disruptive ordeal. Sleep is interrupted, long car rides become stressful, and even social outings require constant awareness of restroom locations. Many men accept this as an inevitable part of aging. However, prostate issues aren't solely due to age. Inflammation and oxidative stress can play a significant role, disrupting the prostate gland and hindering urine flow. Medications are available, but they often come with side effects like fatigue, dizziness, and decreased libido. Surgery is also an option, but many men prefer to avoid it if possible. So, what if there was a natural alternative that addresses the root causes without the unwanted side effects? Enter castor oil, a remedy your grandmother might have had. Turns out she was onto something. The key ingredient is ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory that can penetrate tissues, reduce swelling, improve blood flow, and help balance hormones that can contribute to prostate growth. Unlike medications that merely mask the symptoms, castor oil targets the underlying issues, reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Studies have shown that men who use castor oil packs on the lower abdomen experienced significant reduction in nighttime bathroom trips. This is without medications, surgery, or unwanted side effects. Ancient healers have long recognized the benefits of castor oil for reducing swelling and promoting circulation, and modern science is now validating these traditional uses. Ready to try it yourself? You won't be swallowing anything. The trick is to apply it externally, directly to the affected area. Soak a soft flannel cloth in pure, unrefined, cold-pressed castor oil. Make sure it's damp, but not dripping. Place it on your lower abdomen, below your navel, where the prostate is located. Cover it with plastic wrap to keep it in place, and then apply gentle heat using a heating pad or warm towel. Relax for 45 minutes, aiming for 3 sessions per week. With consistent use, you may notice a reduction in urgency, improved sleep, and a sense of relief. If you're finding this information valuable, please leave a comment, and if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing for future updates. Let's continue. Not everyone is immediately convinced. Take Sam, a 58-year-old retired firefighter who valued his physical fitness. His sleep was constantly interrupted by frequent bathroom trips. When I suggested castor oil packs, he was skeptical. However, he was willing to try anything. After a week, he noticed a slight improvement. By week 2, the urgency seemed to lessen. And by week 3, he slept through the night. After 2 months, he was amazed by the results. His energy returned, his confidence improved, and he no longer had to constantly plan around bathroom access. If you're ready to reclaim your nights, consider leaving a comment. But prostate relief isn't the only benefit of castor oil. Have you noticed thinning hair or a receding hairline? A hidden hormone might be at play, and castor oil could be the solution you need. Let's explore how it can help stimulate hair growth. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing your hair thinning, shedding more frequently, and your hairline receding. Hair loss isn't just a cosmetic issue, it can affect your self-esteem. The culprit is often dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone that shrinks hair follicles. As you age, your body converts more testosterone into DHT, which binds to receptors in your scalp, causing follicles to shrink and eventually stop producing hair. Many hair regrowth treatments target DHT, but they often come with side effects like scalp irritation or decreased libido. Castor oil offers a natural alternative by targeting hair loss at its root cause without synthetic chemicals. It can naturally inhibit 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. By slowing this conversion, castor oil reduces DHT levels in your scalp, preventing further damage to hair follicles. Unlike pharmaceutical options, it achieves this without unwanted side effects. Castor oil is also rich in omega-9 fatty acids, specifically ricinoleic acid, and vitamin E, which revitalize your scalp. Omega-9s improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting the scalp from oxidative stress and nourishing the follicles. Studies have shown that castor oil can increase hair thickness. Participants who applied castor oil to their scalps experienced a significant increase in hair thickness after a few months. Castor oil is also affordable and accessible, requiring no prescription or complicated regimen. Simply warm a small amount of castor oil and massage it into your scalp, focusing on areas where thinning is most noticeable. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight and then wash it out with a mild shampoo. For added benefits, consider adding a few drops of rosemary essential oil, another natural DHT blocker. Commit to this routine consistently and you may see gradual improvements. James, a friend of mine, started noticing his hairline receding. He tried various products without success. When I suggested castor oil, he was skeptical, but he tried it out of desperation. After a few weeks, he noticed less hair shedding. By the 3-month mark, his hair felt thicker and looked healthier. If you're ready to take charge of your hair journey, consider leaving a comment. But castor oil's uses don't stop here. This versatile oil can also be an effective pain reliever, often working faster and more holistically than over-the-counter medications. Picture waking up with stiff joints, aching muscles, and a sore back. Persistent discomfort can become a part of daily life. While you could take pain relievers, they can have side effects. What if relief could come from a simple oil applied directly to the source of the pain? Most pain relievers numb the nervous system or block pain signals temporarily. Castor oil, however, takes a different approach. Its high concentration of ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties. It penetrates deep into the skin, improving blood flow, reducing swelling, and addressing inflammation at its source. This makes it effective for conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, or joint stiffness. Studies have shown that castor oil can reduce inflammation in painful joints. It's also easy to use at home. Warm a tablespoon of castor oil and rub it into the sore areas, massaging deeply. Cover the area with a warm towel or heating pad and let it sit for 30 minutes. Repeat this a few times a week. Mark, a former carpenter, had knee pain due to years of physical labor. He tried castor oil and experienced relief. If you're finding this information valuable, please leave a comment, and if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing for future updates. Castor oil doesn't stop at hair and pain, it can also be a gut health aid. If you experience bloating, constipation, or acid reflux, gut issues can be more than just a dietary problem. Over-the-counter laxatives or antacids provide temporary relief, but they are not a long-term solution. Castor oil, however, works differently. It stimulates the gut's natural processes. Its ricinoleic acid binds to receptors in the intestines, triggering muscle contractions that get things moving again. Studies have shown that castor oil can relieve chronic constipation. It also soothes gut inflammation, helping restore balance. To use it, take a teaspoon after consulting a doctor or apply a castor oil pack to your abdomen. Lisa, a friend, swore by this after years of battling post-meal puffiness. Within weeks, she felt lighter and more in control. If gut relief sounds appealing, consider leaving a comment. Castor oil might just be the multi-tool your body needs. Start your day with a simple gut reset using castor oil. Mix a teaspoon of food-grade castor oil into a glass of warm lemon water. This acts as a gentle wake-up call for your gut. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach. The castor oil lubricates your digestive system, while the warm lemon water helps flush out toxins. For a deeper cleanse, use a castor oil pack a few times a week. Soak a cotton cloth in warm castor oil, place it over your abdomen, and cover it with a hot water bottle or heating pad. Leave it on for a period while you relax. This method targets inflammation and bloating, improving lymphatic drainage. My sister Cecilia had digestive issues for years. She tried everything without lasting relief. When I suggested castor oil, she was skeptical, but she tried it. The first morning she tried the lemon water and castor oil mix, she experienced immediate relief. After a few weeks, her digestion felt more predictable and effortless. If you're finding this information valuable, please leave a comment, and if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing for future updates. Finally, castor oil can be a blood flow aid that supports your heart. Have you ever noticed that your hands and feet are always cold, or that your legs feel heavy after sitting? These are signs of poor circulation, which can increase your risk of heart problems. Most people reach for coffee or energy drinks, but those are temporary fixes. Castor oil, however, works naturally by boosting your body's production of nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels. Wider vessels mean better flow, more oxygen, and less strain on your heart. Studies have shown that castor oil can increase blood flow. It's easy to put into practice. Warm a small amount of castor oil and massage it into your legs, feet, and hands before bed. The warmth and gentle pressure help dilate blood vessels. If you're prone to swollen feet or varicose veins, apply a generous layer, wrap your legs in a warm towel, and let it sit. People often notice a difference after just one use. Ready to boost your circulation? Consider leaving a comment. Finally, castor oil can turn back the clock on aging skin. You might notice fine lines and wrinkles, and your skin might feel drier. Most skincare products are surface-level fixes. Castor oil, however, sinks deep into your skin, stimulating collagen and elastin production. Studies have shown that castor oil can reduce wrinkles and boost skin elasticity. Simply dab a thin layer of castor oil onto your face before bed and massage it in. For dark spots or sun damage, mix it with aloe vera gel and target those areas directly. If you're done wasting money on overpriced creams and ready to restore your skin naturally, consider leaving a comment. Finally, castor oil can tame stress and reset your nervous system. Stress can tighten your muscles, spike your blood pressure, and disrupt your sleep. What if you could calm your nervous system naturally? Castor oil stimulates your vagus nerve, the master controller of your body's relaxation response. When activated, the vagus nerve tells your system to relax, lowering stress hormones and easing muscle tension. Warm a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it onto your stomach and chest before bed. Then lie back, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. This combo activates the vagus nerve, sending a clear signal to your body to unwind. And there you have it, the power of castor oil and baking soda. From fighting prostate issues to growing hair, easing pain, healing your gut, boosting circulation, restoring your skin, and calming your stress, this simple remedy has been hiding in plain sight. What have you learned so far that's blown your mind? Share it in the comments below.